We'll guide you through how to make stairs in Illustrator. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, open Adobe Illustrator on your computer. Once the application is open, click New File to create a new document where you will build your design. After that, choose the document presets you want to use according to your needs so the canvas size and settings match your project requirements. Then click Create to open the canvas and begin working. Next, select the rectangle tool from the toolbar so you can create the base shape for your layout. Click on the canvas to define the exact size of the rectangle. Adjust the width, for example 800px, and adjust the height, for example 600px, so the proportions fit your design needs. Then click OK to place the rectangle on the canvas. After that, click the Object menu, select Path, and choose Split into Grid to divide the rectangle into smaller sections. Change the number of rows, for example to 6, and change the number of columns, for example to 6, so the grid becomes evenly divided. Then click OK to apply the grid. Next, select the Line Segment tool and draw a line from corner to corner, for example similar to the video. Draw a second line, for example similar to the video, to create additional divisions. Press V on your keyboard, then select both lines while holding the Shift key. Press Alt and drag to duplicate the lines according to the position shown in the video, and press Ctrl D to duplicate the lines multiple times, for example similar to the video. After that, click on the color palette you want to use, or choose colors from the color box according to your needs so the design becomes visually clear. Select All Objects, then select the Shape Builder tool to begin forming shapes. Drag across the shapes to form several step surfaces. Then repeat the same step to create the staircase sides with slightly darker colors. Drag again using a darker color to create the side of the steps. Hold Alt and drag across the parts you want to remove. Now the staircase has been successfully created. Review the result carefully.